What is going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. We're going to be talking about how to customize ThinkOrSwim charts and how to get started. If you guys don't know anything about ThinkOrSwim, this video is perfect for you. Alright, so as you guys pull up your ThinkOrSwim platform here, this is how it's going to look. It's going to be kind of messy. So what you're going to want to do is you can delete all of these, but realistically you can just keep them open because you're rarely ever going to be on this page. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go up to charts up in this little up on top, where they have scan, market watch, tools, education, help. This is most likely where you're going to spend most of your time here, or scan. So now you're going to want to get rid of these. So all you got to do is click on these three lines right here, and you can either switch it, detach it. So if you detach it, then you have a bigger chart right here, and now you can move it onto different monitors. So, that is a perk, but you're most likely gonna, want to get rid of it. So we're gonna click those three lines again and then delete. And then same thing on all of these. So after we get done, whoops, clicked the wrong one. After we get done with this, there's gonna be this little button right here. You're going to want to click that, and then that pushes everything off to the side so you can't see it. And now this is where you're going to find your charts. So if you only want two charts, one on top, one on bottom, all you have to do is click this little box with a slash through it. That means delete, and now you have two charts. Also, let's say you want to add one. All you got to do is click this button. I said but for some reason, but all you gotta do is click this button right here, and as you click that, one will pop off to the side, and if you want one below you, all you gotta do is click the one with the plus underneath you. So, whoops. Also, let's say since this isn't even, all you gotta do is click on this little, right in between it. I'm not sure what that word is, that crevice there, and you can relocate it where it's about halfway. So now it's about halfway. That seems pretty good. So all you're going to want to do is connect your watch list. So all you have to do is go down on here, click plus, bring it up to watch list, and now you can go to personal, and then these are all going to be your scanners and your watch list. So let's click on top 5 because I think these are the top 5 stocks I'm watching this month. Also, let's get another one up here. Let's do pre-market one. So now here's all the stocks that look good pre-market. So as you guys click on these, you can tell they don't pop up over here. All you have to do is click this little button right here, that symbol link. So you click it, and now let's make it red, and then let's make this one red. So now as you guys click it, those pop up over here. And you can do the same thing with here, but let's make this one yellow. Yellow. So now, as you click this one, the symbol pops up, the ticker pops up over here. This one actually seems pretty good. But anyways, so this is a good way to just get started here. And as you guys can tell, we still have these boxes, and we don't want those. So all you have to do is you got to click on these multiple box screen, and then you have to click customize grid and just have it be unchecked. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty basic. So let's say you want to kind of push this off to the side. You already have the stocks you wanted up here, and you can either detach it and put it on another monitor for kind of scanners and watch list, or you can just leave it there. It's all personal preference. So as you guys push that out, now we have a larger screen right here. And now, you might be asking, okay, we have the charts, we have everything. Now, how do you buy the stock? It's very easy. Often these, to the right here, we have different types of buttons you guys can click. So if you guys click trade, you can see the buy and sell up there. But also, if you do active trader, that's what I use. And you can kind of Well, it takes a sec though. There we go. So now you can push that off to the side, and let's redo the stock chart here. Let it load, and let's do the same thing on this side. So active trader. Move this. For some reason that one's not loading up there, but that's okay. Let's go back to 5 minute, 5 day. I'm not sure. It must be the stock ticker. That's bad. Let's see. Let's find a different one. Okay. Yeah, for some reason it was just that one. I'm not sure why I did that. But, you know, down here, as you guys can tell, there's a zoom out, zoom in button that says zoom it out for trading purposes right now. So, all right, we have our buy and sell. We have everything, you know, we need. A lot of people use time and sales. That's what I use. So you guys can push that off to the side too. Make that super skinny. Push this right here. So let's go time and sales down here. Down here. All right. So after we get this moved off to the corner right here. So now it looks about even. You know, everything seems pretty decent. So what you're going to want to do now is, you know, start making trades and studies and support and resistance lines. All right, so there's two ways that you guys can make a support and resistance line. The first way is you got to go up to drawings, go down, and then you find this tool right here. This is the price level tool. So this makes a straight line all the way across. That's what I mostly use, unless I use this. That's a trend line. But so let's say, okay, let's mark out the high. So all you gotta do is click, and then drag, and then click again, and then it makes a straight line all the way across. Super easy. All right, so sorry, my nose is like a little stuffy, if you guys can tell by my voice. If not, awesome. So another way that you guys can do it is you click this drawing tool down here. You click the same tool, and you have everything right there. So it's pretty easy, pretty basic, you know. I like doing it that way. It's a lot easier and faster, you know. But okay, so now we have everything set up. We have our support and resistance lines set up. The next thing you guys are going to want to do is most likely use studies. So it's everything super basic on ThinkOrSwim. All you got to do is click studies right here. So now you're going to want to go to edit. So now edit is a lot easier because you guys can just search them and put them where you want. So let's just say we want the VWAP. Super easy, basic study here for a stock. Now how to get it over there is you guys can either click, you can double click it, or you can, here, let's get rid of it, or you can click it and then click import. Whoops, nope. You can, I would just double click it if you can, because I thought there was a different way you could, but turns out you can't. Add selected, that's what it was. Okay, so now you added it. You know, that was kind of embarrassing here. But let's say you want anything. Let's say you want a, you know, simple moving average line. So all you gotta do is click it. And now let's say you have it, but you don't like the days it's for, so let's change this to 90 in the past 90 days. Whoops. And that's right here, so you gotta go 90, enter. Whoops, it's not working. 90. There. And then click OK, OK. And then as you guys click OK, bam, everything pops up. Super easy. You can do the same thing from here, you know, studies. You can go to just add study and find it, but it kind of takes longer. I recommend just going to edit. It's faster, it's easier. So, you know, same thing. You know, let's say we want, let's just find one. Let's just search. Let's just go VWAP again. VWAP's kind of the, for anyone new to trading, that's kind of like one of the better studies here. So bam, VWAP's up. Super easy. So now we have our time and sales going. We have everything all ready. Now we can just start doing trades. And now let's say, okay, you know, I don't like these stocks. pop that out, pick a different stock, and everything automatically comes back up with the studies. Super easy. It's fun. It's easy. It's very simple. So that is how to customize your ThinkOrSwim trading platform. It's very easy. It's simple. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, because I can always just make another video on it to do it more in depth and answer your question. So that's it though. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you didn't, still give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe, because I bet you I do have a video that you guys will like. So peace out, guys. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. Peace out. Take care.